Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This video is kind of different because I'm laying down in my nice, clean, cozy bed. And people have been tagging me in the story, in the star, and tagging me on my video. So the story that I run, that the Daily Mail UK published, that Dalton Harris was having visa issues. Jermaine, who is Dalton's manager, went to the Star and told the Star that he isn't having any visa issues. But let's take sense out of nonsense. Dalton was the one that told the Sun that he needs to get a new visa. That was his exact words to the newspaper. I need to get a new visa. He told them that. And that's why they said he was having visa issues, for all the dunce bot in the back to hear. Dalton Harris told them that he needs to get a new visa. I don't know what Donovan Jermaine is talking about. He himself said in the Star article that they wrote, he don't even know what type of visa Dalton have. So for all the dunce bot them that loves to come in my comment section and talk BS, he don't even know what visa Dalton have for him to be making comments on it. This boy said out of his own mouth that he needs to return home because he needs a new visa. So we're going to take sense out of nonsense. So if he needs to return home, why would he need to return home if he wasn't having visa issues? Please tell me. If he had a visa for about, 10 years or 5 years, why would he need to go back to Jamaica if he's not having visa issues? Please tell me. I would love to know. Since you guys are so smart and intelligent, please tell me why Dalton Harris would have to go back home days after he won the UK X Factor if he wasn't having visa issues. Especially with the climate that Jamaica is in, and especially with the viral photo that of him sitting in the guy's lap and how many threats were made on his life. Why would he need to go back to Jamaica? Please tell me. Donovan Jermaine admitted in his article that he don't even know what visa Dalton have. So who is he to be commenting on it? When Dalton was the one that said out his own mouth he needs to go home and get a new visa. Obviously his visa expired. They probably gave him a six-month visa and he needs to go home to renew his visa and get a work permit so he can go on the X Factor tour. So when you guys love bash vloggers and talk about where they spread fake news and with this and with that, Dalton Harris was the one that told them he need to go home to get a new visa. Y'all make me sick. I run my platform and I run my platform on credibility, integrity. You never see fake news over here. Yet. Ever. I make sure my sources come from credible news sources. Credible. The Daily Mail, the Mirror, Gleaner, newspaper, Star, Observer. I use credible sources. Me no run with hearsay. So when you guys are going to try bash me and tell me how me I run with fake news and how they must shame. Shame because of what? He said it out his own mouth. He needs to go home to get a new visa because you're not just allowed to stay here. That was his exact words to the newspaper. So all I want to have something to say, can go off, chuck off a bridge, jump up in front of a train, because quite frankly, I don't know what y'all have to say. Okay? 0 is given. While y'all talking shit on social media, Dalton is bigging us up. Because we were there before all the publicity, all the talk. Where were y'all when we were supporting him and telling people to vote for him? When y'all just hopped on the train the other day? Where were y'all when he did his audition? Did you guys talk about him? Did you guys do a video about him? Did you share his audition on social media? No. Y'all hopped on the train when controversy started to be around him. And y'all realized that he was Jamaican. So, out of here. While on on social media, I thought BS Dalton is bigging us up because we actually put in the work and made our subscribers vote for him and pushed people to vote for him and give him nothing but positive energy. So you can miss me with the BS and get off my channel with the BS also, because I'm not here for it. I'm not like those other vloggers that you guys can run off the internet or make them feel they're not supposed to be doing what they're doing and them a run with fake news, or they're supposed to feel some type of way. This I want to not feel no type of way. It's what I do. It's how I live. I make sure that everything I do is built on integrity, trust, and credibility, because at the end of the day, this right here is a business. So, anyways, I'm glad I cleared that up for you guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm up out of here. Deuces.